Hey YouTube, Dave the Ammo Psycho here at the last Walmart. I'm gonna try and see if they got anything here. I barely got enough juice left in the battery to cover this, so I'll try and do some in-store footage. Let's see if the outdoor garden section is open. Looks like it is. It's almost 10 o'clock CST here, so I'll just take you for the walk. This isn't a bad Walmart. It's a lot better than the one that I have where I live. But I've got a problem with a lot of these because the one where I live, I did get 22L out of there. And I'm basically blackballed from that store, and I'll save that story for another time. But these other Walmarts are quite a distance from me. And I don't visit them that often. I didn't waste all that fucking gas. I get more mileage if I just do a ISP at some of these places and buy it online. But anyway, let's see what happens. And the motherfucking door is closed. God damn it. Oh. Jesus Christ. Hate this. Not prepared. Not at all. I don't have any barcodes. I didn't look at anything. This is just hit or miss. I really shouldn't be here. Should be cutting the grass. I just don't have a good feeling about this. I'll start to chant. Walk of shame, walk of shame, walk of shame, walk of shame, walk of shame. Not prepared. You cannot get this stuff here if you are not prepared, and I am not prepared. I don't have any time to do the dance either. I gotta get back home. My wife is texting me, is the grass going to cut itself, or are you going to do it? Didn't have jack shit here as I thought. Walk of shame. What? It would have been bonus if it would have been okay, but when you're not prepared, you don't expect to get anything. I didn't even feel like asking the guy. I gotta get out of here. Been too much shopping already, but I bought it here before. I've scored here, like I said. The life of an ammo hoarder is not an easy one. You know, there are times I've gone weeks without finding this stuff or getting it online. But sometimes you click, you know, just you have to be persistent and patient. Have a good attitude. Sorry I wasted your time with all this shit, but I think it's always good that show their failures in addition to some of the successes they have. Kind of makes you hungry, makes you keep wanting to do it. Anyway, I gotta get out of here, get back home. This is Dave the Animal Psycho signing out. Enough of this for the day. Later.